Hey folks, Happy New Year to everybody. As you can see, something has changed. We have a new light setting. And this is good news because the HPCrazy Guitar Academy is going to the next step now. Of a really intense year, I think for everybody, 2020. I really put a lot of efforts to professionalize the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with the YouTube channel, also with the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, the member section which you can join, and that's the way to go. There's a lot of cool stuff coming there. And I really want to encourage you to take the full advantage of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Also join the community there. There are several, there's a free basic member account and a premium member account, and both of them are really helpful for you to connect with others, talk with others, and that's the main goal now. I'm stopping social media activities mostly now due to my experience from last year, and so my member account is the place you have to go to follow what me and Dr. Pink are doing, to get more background information, to see a more full picture of the whole thing, but also to become an interactive member of our little guitar community, which is building and building up. There are also new members in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I don't pick them up. We have the acoustics department now. Of course, it's also going to build up. And I'm going to do more live streaming concerts, more live streaming events. Therefore, if you haven't subscribe to my channel. But also join, as I said, the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, because there's more background what's going on. A brand new feature, and then I'm finished with the stuff which is coming. Brand new feature which is coming is that you can make diplomas in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you're a beginner, you want to become the advanced or intermediate diploma, you can make a test, and I'm gonna place the information there how you can make the test, that you can raise you to the next level of your membership if you want. I mean, it's a fun feature, and at the end, nobody ever passed till now is gonna be the real pro HPCrazy diploma, which I really give to those players who are real pros, and they are convincing, you know what I mean. And so there are going to be several levels of how you say, Auszeichnung, what's the English word for that? Anyhow, credits or diplomas, and at the end is the HPCrazy Guitar Diploma, which says you're a real pro and you can really play guitar and you can survive as a pro. And in these times which we are more or less at home, it's really good to have goals, to say, okay, I want to go for this, I want to go for this, to set goals and get somewhere. And therefore the community is good, that you can help each other to get there when you want to. And yeah, you find all information there. Good. That's all that me and Dr. Pink wanted to say. Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks for all the support. Please continue the support, because without your support, the HPCrazy Guitar Academy will not exist. It's about you, that you support, you join the community, and yeah, you find the link to join the community in the description box below. And as I said, even they still exist, my other social media accounts, I will stop. Well, I still put it from time to time some information, but the main activity is going to be now in my own community, and it's guarantee no big data there and no whatever, you know what I mean. Yeah, see you guys.